It is so serene and calm, giving good vibes to your garden. What do you do with your succulent plants during springtime? How do you repot and propagate? Hi, this is Forlitz and welcome to Forlitzsky Arts and Architecture, where I share my skills and knowledge in gardening, painting, and other DIY projects. If you haven't already, please subscribe to help me grow my channel, click the like button, share the video with others, and leave a comment so we can connect. In this video, I would like to share how I repot my succulent plants from small to bigger pots and propagate from cuttings. My long-term goal is to turn my yard into succulent oasis. However, I do not have enough succulents to cover my garden. So I'm still propagating, collecting, and acquiring to increase my collections enough to cover my goal. Here are cuttings from my existing succulent plants. I am starting with this ceramic container, repotting varieties of succulent collected from small pots in this larger pot together. They like to plant them together and close to each other while creating a beautiful arrangement. Transfer varieties of succulents clustered together to a larger container when they mature. That way, you will allow them to grow and create more clusters you may use for propagation. Like this example, these succulents have been in this container for years, and it's time to give them bigger space. So they need trim and cleaning, remove some of the roots, then repot in the larger container. If there is more space, add more varieties of succulents. Remember this plant? This plant is one of my succulent collections of 2023. Interestingly, Graptoveria Fred Ives was so tiny when delivered to my house. And because this is the first one that got bigger, I needed to transfer it to a larger container. Gradually transfer the plant when growing. For example, start planting in a 2 inches to 5 inches container and move to a 7 inches container. Here is another one from my 2023 succulent collections. It needs to transfer to a bigger pot. I cut the babies from the mother and will plant them in another container. Use the smaller container to transfer the baby plants from your propagation. If you have planted succulents in tiny containers for years and they still look nice and cute, trim and reset some of them, then add more soil. Plant your cuttings in a container that looks interesting and different. For example, I bought this interesting container online to grow my cuttings. It is so serene and calm, giving good vibes to your garden. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you find this video inspiring and helpful. If you like this kind of video, please watch the content in my gardening playlist. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the following video.